Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariadi. I am one of the students of 11 Maret University. Here I would like to show you how to make a glass of black coffee. This tutorial video is submitted to fulfill one of the assignment in English for academic purpose program. To make a glass of black coffee, we need some ingredient like firstly we provide boiled water, and then we provide the coffee powder, and then the sugar, and then we must provide a glass and the spoon. How to make the black coffee? Firstly, we provide a glass, and then we take some sugar, we can take a spoonful of white sugar like this, and then you can add by yourself based on your preference. And then we add a spoonful of black coffee powder like this. After that, before we add some boiled water, we should stir it well like this in order to the coffee powder and the sugar dissolve. After that, we can add a boiled water. Like this. Finally, after we add some boiled water, depend on our preference, and then we stir it well like this. Okay, finally the black coffee is ready. I think it is the most delicious coffee I ever tasted. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.